Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS tutorial on freeCodeCamp. We're going to learn about the abbreviated hex code. So we saw before that hex code can be 6 digits, and each pair represents RGB. The first two red, the second two green, the last two blue. But this can be abbreviated to just 1 digit for each color. So 1 digit for red, 1 digit for green, and 1 digit for blue. And people use this just to make it simpler for you, but you can use it however you want. For the most part, when I see code, I usually see the six digit, but this is just an abbreviated way just for you to let you know. Okay, so for this exercise, we want to change the colors in this to the correct short hex code. So this browser will change colors. So just copy this and paste it in the corresponding ones. Now we see it changes colors. Green, green, red, red, and I don't know how to pronounce this one. But there you go. Thank you.